I did want to know or show you too that this is what the book was calling for. I had to order it. 648. That's what they want you to put on the threads of these. And then you got to just tighten them to 11 pounds. It's really not very tight. So, not sure what the rationale is there. Seems to me like there would be a lot of lateral force on these and these dowel pins, but maybe they fit tight enough that it's not a problem. And maybe them dowel pins absorb all that, and these kind of spring pins are cushioned a little bit to where the actual threaded piece going into this housing is not really taking any of the brunt of the load. And the only purpose that serves is to keep this in there so that when that plate comes this way, remember it's a press fit against this roll pin. The spring pin pushes against that spring, so then it'll return it. And again, I think what causes a lot of problems on these is for some reason it gets pushed out further than it should, and it's what's supposed to allow it to self-correct is also what causes the problems. If something fails in that disc, or for whatever reason it's able to push further than it should, that hydraulic force behind here is enough to move it along this roll pin, this spring pin, but there's nothing that's able to push it back. I don't think riding against that brake disc would be able to push it back on there. But I am just a dumb farmer, so I don't know. But I'll take them out and probably quit there for the evening. And they're not hard to break loose, but I mean, you can tell there's compound on there because you have to ratchet her off of there. They don't just spin off. But yeah, 11 pounds ain't much. I use the inch pound wrench. What's that? 132 inch pounds. What's going on there? Huh. That's like that compound when they put it together the first time. So I'll clean them bores out and I'll screw them new ones in this evening. Quit there, and we'll see what kind of trouble we can get into tomorrow.